Hare Krishna. Well, you may remember, I doubt if you remember, but the last time I saw you, which was in Bhaktivedanta Manor, I said that I'm going all over the world and visiting so many places, and wherever I go, I see Radha Gopinath. And I go to Bombay about once a year, and it's only just down the road, and they're so beautifully worshipped. They're so beautiful devotees. I should go and take darshan.
Gopinath, I've been waiting for you.
Oh, Gopinath. I was thinking I should sing that. There won't be time in class, but later in the day. Do you sing it daily here?
No, we don't sing daily. Gopinath?
Well, you sing Jai Radha. It's quite a long song. It takes about 20 minutes to sing it, isn't it? Thank you for being here. I said added boon. I didn't, and you're here also. You're also inextricably connected to Radha Gopinath and two names. I wanted to ask actually, where's Radha Gopinath? Because someone told me it's in Kolhapur, and I asked him if Radha Gopinath.
And he's here.
He used to be there in Kolhapur.
He's here also in Kolhapur.
He's up and down. I regularly listen to his Gita recitation.
Oh, okay.
So I'm indebted to him for that.
Radha Gopinath Prabhu here? Yeah, they come.
I have to be careful if I say if I say one little thing, he'll do 100 times more. So.
Depends what you say.
Thank you very much.
The temple in Salem has come out very beautiful. It's stone. I had visited. It was a detailed room. Is it been opened already?
No.
Maybe next year?
Well, for years we had a sign saying opening in 3 years. Now it's changed to opening in 2 years. So that sign will be there for a few more years. Eventually we may bring it down to opening in 1 year, and eventually may actually open. If you consider that previously stone temples, they took decades to build.
Full stone, including the guest houses. Stone of lifetimes.
Yeah. The cathedrals in Europe also. They just go on building.
Yeah.
But nowadays.
Prasad.
Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, because I don't want to take too late. 7:45. So I'm going to take Prasad, Krishna Williams, at 7:15, and then I'll be.
So if you'd like to bathe or whatever, I will give you your space this evening temple.
Rishikesh, who's Rishikesh?